I don't know how you landed here, but since you have, let me tell you why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. Before that, a tiny bit about myself. I am a film studies master's and I have blah. Who cares? Anyway, so ये सब अपना time आएगा कि गलती है. I was doing just fine with my daily job, settling in, with the life of comfort, almost forgetting why I came to Bombay the first place. And then Gully Boy dropped a song and I was back to my feet thinking, अपना time कब आएगा?
फैजल, कब खून खौलेगा रे तेरा?
I did some mindless reviews before this. I used to get up at 7:30 on Fridays, go watch the biggest release of the week in a morning show. I even watched Baghi 2. Not kidding. I watched Baghi 2 while an uncle was sitting right next to me and he was snoring. And I felt terrible at that point in time when I was doing those reviews. I used to go to office, I used to come back, and then I would die to complete that video, edit it out and put it out by Saturday or Sunday. By that time I would have been completely lost in the YouTube algorithm because so many of the channels that are available on the YouTube were actually doing the same thing again and again. And I thought, where do I stand with that? Heard of YouTubers saying again and again that you do things that you love and then it will not feel like work anymore? Damn you YouTubers, it did feel like work. But I liked films. So I thought, then what?
Have you ever fucked on cocaine?
I realized it's not me. I can't possibly, wake up at 7, go to watch Baghi year after year after year because they will come up with 2, 3, 4, of course, and I can't be doing that. So ultimately, I closed the channel. By the way, I was doing it for the second time.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
But then they say there is always a third time. I don't know who said it, but it fits here, so I'm using it. Anyway, it was my third time to reinvent my channel, thinking about something that will work for me this time. I decided to go on a meditative path. I went to Himalayas to think about what can I do with my new channel.
अबे साले.
No, that doesn't work for people like us. That can only work for Modi ji before the elections, of course.
ये इसी जगह पर प्रधानमंत्री ध्यान लगाए हुए आपको दिखे थे. प्रधानमंत्री बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पद है, इसलिए देश से उनकी कनेक्टिविटी बनी रहे. एक मोबाइल की व्यवस्था थी, इंटरनेट की सारी व्यवस्था यहाँ पे की गई थी.
So it was during this time of looking hard at what am I good at and what should this channel be about, I asked myself a very fundamental question. What do I feel good about talking?
Films.
And what else? No, not this one, God's voice.
Oh, sorry. Politics.
Yes, so here I was, dreaming again, but this time with a proper plan in place. I decided I want to talk about the politics of art.
ये क्या चुतिया हुआ है?
I want to look into film from a socio-political perspective. I want to address issues and motives that are oftentimes missed by the audiences in films that are screaming for attention. And why just films? Going forward, I want to delve deeper into the world of art and try and gauge the politics behind the art and the artists who creates those pieces.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
With this, I want to create a platform where like-minded people can talk about cinema, poetry, paintings, music videos, YouTube videos, sculpture, basically anything that qualifies for art. Old or new, pop or classic, doesn't really matter.
साला हिंदुस्तान में जब तक सलीमा है, लोग चूतिया बनते रहेंगे.
So help me build a space where you and me can talk about the politics of art and unscript the scripted journeys taken so far. One artwork at a time. Pao salam. Woohoo!